We have taken a detour.
Only when you don't want to be sitting in rush hour traffic.
Oh, that's why we took it?
Well, kind of. It's nice weather, you know? When do you get 88 degrees in the end of September?
That is true.
The dunes this year either. Or any kind of beach.
So where are we going?
Except the Des Moines beach we did go to when I visited.
Oh yeah, that's right. We've been here before.
Those are nachos from the food truck.
Oh, they're watching us. Well, I will watch them.
Look, come on. Look how pretty it is.
Wow.
It's like we're on vacation.
Good plan for the detour.
In Indiana.
Hey, you know, people go to Cancun, they go to beaches in the Caribbean, and when I tell them, save yourself $1,000 and send it over to the south of Lake Michigan. It's comparable.
The north is actually much better.
Well, it's colder usually.
Ah, beautiful. I love the waves. You're crazy. I hope you know that this towel is what we sit on.
Huh?
And I'll let you use it if you want it.
This water temperature, I don't know what it is, but I can tell you it's not optimal. But I'm going to attempt to go into this great body of water. I have been taking cold showers, but this is all at once, covering an entire surface area of your body. Ooh, all right. You just gotta think about something else. All right, here we go. And here we are, September 28th. In Lake Michigan. Look how much water there is. There's a barge over there. In the distance is Chicago. Oh, it's right over there. There's no way you'll see it, but you can trust me on that one. Seagulls flying. An abundance of marine life. We got some factories over there. The beautiful dunes. There's just so much. And I'm just lucky to be here and be able to experience it. Come in! What's up, Buttercup?
You are crazy.
You missed the apples? Trees?
Do I miss them?
Yeah.
I'm more of a beach girl, so I'm cool.
There we go.
I'm feeling.
Everything seems to work out in the end. Yeah, I feel great.
How cold is it?
Once you get in, it's fine.
I got that nice, like, sugary dip.
Yeah, right before you take a dip, it's kind of horrible. Once you're in.
How do you feel now, though? Isn't it cold above water?
It's alright.
Seagull. I'm not a pigeon. Like, feed me.
Find anything?
Oh, crap. little. This one looked like small, like little greener thing before. It depends how you look at it.
I like that little black one, that's cute.
Yeah, it's like greenish though. Kulu would eat this if she had access to it.